Hey guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome to my world. In today's video, we're going to be doing a testing new products. If you're interested in seeing the video on how I did my DIY backdrop, let me know because that's going to be uploaded. It should be uploaded before this video. If not, it's coming, guys. But today we're going to be reviewing this Profusion contour makeup case. There's a brush in here. Hold on. Looks like this. There's a few different shades in there. There's two cream shades over here. Yeah, cream sculpt, cream light, and then there's like some highlight and bronzer shades. I have not used this yet, but I think I used it on someone or swatched it. So first thing first, I'm gonna put on my foundation. I have two Maybelline foundations. Like, this is the Maybelline Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade Cappuccino, and then I have it in Golden Caramel. I'm gonna just apply my primer first, and this is the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. Just put like that much on my hand. I have not put makeup on my face in what feels like forever. My skin looks so soft. Let's apply our foundation. Dog, I love this foundation. Like, hold on, let me get a little closer so you guys can see. This foundation gives me life, and it's like, I would say 5 something. But now we're gonna go in here. Let's use, well, this is a contour brush, so we're gonna go in, I think, the deep contour and medium contour shades and mix them together. So we're just gonna go in both of them, and this is really powdery. That excess on that, yeah, Tic Tac, I don't know, everyone calls it something different. Okay, that's there. It's very there. I'm gonna flip the brush over on the other side just so we don't look too dirty, you know. So many people will put too much contour and they look really dirty, and I'm like, what's going on, sis? I think I put too much on up here. That's okay. I'm gonna blend, but let me put some down here. I'm just gonna put a little bit of a darker shade up here. We're gonna take the highlight shade. It's just this buffer brush, but I wanna take a little bit of the light shade and then mix it with my e.l.f. powder, and then just like chisel out that contour. Kinda almost dropped it. This is the e.l.f. pressed powder in light beige. Yeah, I'm not mad at this. You see that? And get some of that off. Then go back in here and get some of this because it's a little darker than the shade in there. And just buff everything together. And I didn't set under my eyes, so I'm gonna just take this all over. Because I'm gonna go do my brows off camera with a product and then come throw on like a little colored lip gloss so y'all can see, and then y'all be like, ooh, wait. This is just how everything turned out. I put on some lip glosses. I did my brows. They're not perfect. They're probably not even sisters, but like they're cousins. This does work if you ask me, because I think you can see it, and if you can't, I can in person. And it's not like harsh, it's very light. I think if you're like my skin tone and lighter, you can use this because there's like dark, medium, light contour, and then a powder and a light highlight. Maybe if you're like a few shades darker than me, you could use it, but I think it worked perfectly for my skin tone, but obviously you can use the lighter shades if you're lighter than me. I did not try the cream products. I love Profusion makeup, so I 100% recommend this because it's super cheap. Freaking drugstore makeup, $6. That's the end of this video. If you want to see more of me reviewing makeup videos, let me know. Makeup videos, reviewing makeup products, let me know. I can definitely do that. Sis is back. Sis is better. I know I've been gone, but I'm ready to be consistent again. Got my new backdrop. I didn't even realize how like the wrinkles are. Thank you guys for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.